Today we're going to run through how to add a RedVision Essentials display to your smart battery monitor or compatible RedVision enabled charger. Please note, if you're not technically minded or have limited auto electrical experience, we recommend you use a qualified installer such as a REDARC Red Network member. With over 100 members around Australia and New Zealand, there's one near you. To find yours, visit redarcelectronics.com/rednetwork. If you've not yet installed your smart battery monitor, check out the install video linked in the description. Before you start, you'll need to ensure you have the required consumables and tools like the one seen here. Begin by choosing a mounting location for your RedVision Essentials display. Ensure it's in an interior, flat, visible location that utilises both mounting holes. First, use the mounting template to mark out the points labelled A and B. Remove the template and drill pilot holes using a 3mm or 1/8 drill bit. Then drill point B using a 51mm or 2-inch drill bit. Deburr the holes and fasten the mounting bracket into place using the supplied screws. Next, we need to wire the display. Connect the right angled end of the supplied R-bus cable to one of the R-bus ports on the back of the display. Then, connect the other end to the R-bus port on your device. The Essentials display is compatible with a range of REDARC chargers. To complete the R-bus wiring, either connect the supplied terminating resistor into the remaining R-bus port on the back of the display, or connect the R-bus cable from an existing device depending on your setup. The Essentials display needs power from either an R-bus cable or a 12-volt source. If the connected R-bus cable is powered, like from one of these compatible products, align the display with the mounting bracket and press firmly until it clicks into place, and you're done. If the display isn't connected to a powered R-bus cable, we'll need to connect the display to power. Extend the red and black wire with a minimum wire size of 0.5mm squared, fused with a 2A fuse and fit with a ring terminal suitable for connecting to your battery's positive terminal. Ensure that the fuse will be mounted as close as possible to the secondary battery. Then connect the black wire to a suitable chassis ground or the GND terminal of the smart battery monitor. Plug the power cable into the power input on the back of the Essentials display. Align the display with the mounting bracket and press firmly until it clicks into place. If your system is in calibration mode, the segments will chase upwards until calibration is complete. Now the display is installed, settings can be accessed through short presses of the control button. The control LED will illuminate a variety of colours depending on the status, and this can be found in the product manual. Press and hold the control button until the control LED stays solid. This will enter the desired setting. When cycling through the menu, the display will change colour to indicate the selected setting and/or show the current setting status. To adjust the brightness of the display, press the control button to cycle to the brightness settings. Once the control LED is flashing purple, press and hold the control button to adjust the brightness. Your RedVision Essentials display is now connected and ready to go. For more info, visit redarcelectronics.com.